5 Best Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner for Home Reviews. Number 1. Bissell Crosswave Wet and Dry Vacuum. Bissell Crosswave is a multi-surface cleaner. You can clean both the sealed hardwood floors and area rugs with this one. Not just that, you can use this cleaner on tile, laminate, linoleum, and pressed wood floors. It is equally effective in cleaning rubber floor mats. It is an electric cleaner that is apt for vacuuming and washing. In it, you have a 25 feet long cord to plug in, and reaching all the corners becomes easy with it. The cord doesn't feel short, even if it is a large haul. The cleaner has a 2-tank system. The tanks for clean water and solution and dirty water are separate. So, when you are cleaning a dirty floor, the dirt is not in any way mixing in the clean water. Controlling the cleaner is as easy as it can get with the handle and solution trigger. Let's talk about the innovative microfiber and nylon brush. Number 2. Tineco iFloor Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Mop. This powerful and quiet wet dry vacuum from Tineco is a complete cleaner. It includes quite a few essentials with it. You are getting a 3-in-1 cleaning tool and a charging adapter as it is cordless. But the best is the self-cleaning storage tray, and trust us when we say you need it. There is no need to think twice while going over a wet mess, as this vacuum stream cleaner does vacuum and wash at the same time. The cleaner works well on any and every surface from sealed hardwood floors, tiles, vinyl to laminate and linoleum floors. It helps to keep the floors scratch-free and shiny. It has 2 tanks. So, the formula mixed clean water and dirty water are 2 separate entities. You can spray as much formula as you want that too whenever you need it. You have the easy-to-press spray trigger for that.
Tineco. Live easy, enjoy life.
Number 3. TacLife Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This wet dry cleaner cleans with a potent 5.5 HP copper motor. All the dust and dirt cleaned are collected in the massive 5-gallon polypropylene collection tank. The dust goes through 4 layers. So, the chances of clean air increase tenfold. The air cyclone diversion filter collects the dirt in the bucket, be it wet or dry. Then you have the thick dust filter that tackles the large particles. The motor is covered with the silencer sponge filter so your motor stays protected, resulting in long service life. If there is any dust remaining, that has to go through the outlet filter cotton. Thus you get to breathe in the clean, fresh air all the time. With it, you get a long hose. Attach the nozzles and brushes accordingly with the hose. If you are finding it difficult to reach the corners or the other side of the room, then you can also attach the extension wands to the hose and then set the nozzles on them. Number 4. Rigid wet-dry vacuums for car, garage or home. We have this cleaner that is best to clean your car and garage but also proves to be the best one for home use. It is not your typical wet-dry vacuum cleaner but is convenient and versatile. The suction dustpan is already integrated, so you can start cleaning the dirt, be it wet or dry at once. It cleans the dirt with a powerful 3.5 peak horsepower motor. No dirt is tough to clean with it. The hose it comes with is collapsible. That means it can be extended or collapsed depending on your needs. You also get a car nozzle that has a LED light on it. The light makes finding the dirt more convenient. The patented quick lock filter system captures the dirt easily. You do not need any extra tools to install or change it. Number 5. Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max Wet Dry Vacuum. Those of you who wanted a Bissell wet dry vacuum but cordless, here we are. It functions with a powerful 36 volts lithium-ion battery, and you can clean the floor for straight half an hour. You do not have to change the socket while going to another room. It vacuums and washes at the same time. The storage tray it comes with is for storing and charging. With a single push on a button, the cleaner self-cleans the mop head. This one also has a 2-tank system. The 2 tanks make sure that you are cleaning the floor with fresh water and solution in every single swipe, and the dirty water is going to a separate tank. It cleans the edges and corners efficiently. Picking up the hair gathered in the corners and cleaning the edges of the baseboards were never this easy.